Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So the channel name is Trying is Better Than Crying. So today we are going to discuss use of should. So as you know me, it is a platform of we can say that it is a platform of beginners, and everyone know that English is not my native language, but I will try. That's why not. So you will try also. So here we can use so let's without squaring your time, so let's jump into the main point. So let's jump into the main point. So we can here in your mobile screen, show your heading. The heading is how to use of should. So we can say that the topic name is how to use of should. So we can here use of should. uh, so should always used to should, we can say that I am here should always use of should always use of should always use of past should always use to past tense, and we can say that past incident used to should. We can like say like that how to use of should. So we can say that if we can talk about advice. We can talk about advice, and we can say that suggestion. We can say that suggestion, and we can say that duties. We can say that duties and extra. So in this is if anybody want to talk advice, if anybody want to talk suggestion, if anybody give to us suggestion, if anybody give us advice, if anybody remember, and we can say that if anybody recall to they recall to her how to your duties. So we can that use to of should. Are you getting? We can say that for some example here in the screen we can say that for example we can talk about example like that. We can say that you should walk daily. You should walk daily. We can say we can talk about in this sentence. In this sentence is uh, our doctor talk to patient. Our doctor talk to patient, and doctor said to patient that you should talk walk daily because you are ill. If you want to less your weight, if you want to well work your digesting system, so you can try trying my words is doctor say that you should walk daily. So we can say that doctor advice to patients. Are you getting? So we can that here we can use to next sentence is he should he should obey he should obey his teacher. His teacher. He should obey his teacher. So we can say that there is a talking, to teachers and principal. There is a talking together. There is a talking to principal, and we can say that parents, we can say that teachers. So here uh, um, principal said to teachers he should be obey his teacher. So there is a obey, that means there is a duties. We can say that there is a advice. We can say that there is a advice. Are you getting here? And walk daily, that is a suggestion. We can say that suggestion. Are you getting? So next page we can say that so here you should walk daily. There is a suggestion here. We He should obey his teacher. Here in the sentence here obey in a advice form. Are you getting? So there is a we can take a second page is here in your screen in a mobile screen. So here we can say that the last examples, we can say that your brother. Your brother is ill. Your brother is ill. He should. Your brother is ill. He should see the doctor. The doctor immediately. 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 Are you getting? So we can talk about our doctor suggestion to brother. Suggestion is you should. Your brother is ill. Sorry, no doctor. Here, a person said to anyone. Anyone, that means his. We can say that brother. Your brother is ill. He should see the doctor immediately. We can say that anybody advice, and we can say that anybody suggestion here and duties here, and we can say that advice here. So there is a three sentence is a uh, full of instructions. We can say that if we can say that past form, that means happened like that. We can say that if anybody happened like that, we can say that if anybody cruel to anybody, so we can that leave it. We can say that you should you should go away. You should go away. We can say that because this is a talk about through to past um we can say that. So how to use of should in this video we learn. Are you getting? So leave it, and can we end this section, can we end the session? So everyone, uh, watch this next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Feedback. Take care and bye bye. And we will meet next video. Used to wood, how to use to wood. So take care. Bye bye.